This is Tanggula X1 PRO Android 13 Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth 5.0, HDR10 Plus, and 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. And thank you to Tanggula for sending this over my way. I actually am no stranger to Tanggula. I have 2 more devices from them. Well, one was sent from them and one I bought with my own money because I actually liked the first one they sent. And this is the pack itself. Let's see what's inside here. We have a power adapter. Of course, it's a barrel style, 5 volt 2 amps or 10 watts. And besides that, we have an HDMI cable right here. Just a regular HDMI to HDMI. It's actually, it looks like around 4 feet, around that maybe. That's a good thing. And besides that, we have the remote. Looks like it requires AAA batteries. Yep, I'm gonna pop some on it in a second. And besides that, you have the user's manual, the Tanggula documentation, and how to do it, which is quite easy. Usually it's next to no effort to use these things. And one thing I want to say, it has like an integrated VPN app inside that we're going to download when I plug it to the capture monitor, so you can see what's actually inside. But let me walk you through really quick. Oh, I need to take this peel off. I am a big fan of this stuff. Oh, this never gets old. I like this stuff. Okay, so besides that, I have another peel here to take. Oh yeah, anytime. Okay, nice mirror finish. That kind of plasticky, but not cheap, I would say. Here on the back, we have, or on the side, I should say in this case, we have a micro SD card, a slot, USB 3.0, and a USB 2.0. In the other side, we have the audio video or AV port. We have the HDMI, Ethernet, and the power. Nothing on this side, nothing on this side. And it's like a ventilation here under the logic board, which you can probably peek through there. And besides that, I think these are the RAM modules right there. And besides that, all we can do is connect it to a capture card so I can show you what's inside, because showing you physically what's outside is kind of self-defeating purpose here. And yes, the remote is just like their standard Tanggula remotes that they've had before, with the mouse, with the options, navigation with OK in the middle, home, turn back, apps, help, volume, back and forth, settings, TV in, volume up and high, low for the TV itself, turn on and off for the TV itself. This is an infrared remote, just so you know. Turn back or backspace. You have the mute button and the numerical keypad here. And that is basically all the functions that you would find on the remote controller. And from that, let's go really quick to the capture card and I'll show you the rest of it inside the Tanggula itself, with all the thousands of shows and movies and stuff that you can have in this pack. So let's go do this one. Okay, popped in some new batteries and we're gonna plug it in really quick. It should say boot right there. And now it says Tanggula. So we are on a good start, showing us the time, and we're gonna get in the box. Oh, that's a nice boot actually. That animation, the X1 Pro, that looks really clean. Okay, that's a really good start, Tanggula. I respect that. And I will have to agree to this one. Oh, did I reject it? Okay, agree. Look at me, not looking what I'm doing. And I'm assuming we have to connect to some sort of a network at this point, because otherwise it doesn't work. Okay, so we have Play Store, Media Player, YouTube, Media Center. We can add apps here. Bluetooth is on there. We go here. Oh, here we have the good stuff. Have the cleanup, Emotion Store, DLNA, settings, TikTok, TA Store, which that's where we're gonna work something on, YouTube itself. So let me go to settings and turn on the Wi-Fi really quick. And now we need to go to TA Store, which is the Tanggula store itself. And we need to get a few of these things right here. We're gonna go to activation really quick. So we get these things activated. That is the first thing to do here. And the device has been activated successfully. We're in a good start. Now we can get the good stuff here. TarsTV. As always, of course, we have the TV channels and shows and all that good stuff right there, together with the Tang TV 22. And then I'll show you something really nice. The TA Leap, that is going to be your VPN. If you have Netflix, you can get Netflix too, but I don't have it, so I don't really, I can live without it. Okay. And this one I'm going to open now, because I want to see how this works. And yes, we're going to do this on, oh, we have mouse mode. Look at that. Yes, is we're connecting to a VPN right here really quick. I'm gonna click OK, waiting for it to configure what it needs to configure. Connecting. Boom. We are connected just like that. And I'm gonna turn off the mouse because I don't need it at this point. And here I'm gonna add on these two my favorite things here. The reason I even have this box, which will be Tang TV and TarsTV, because that's the stars of this show. So let's go to Tang TV really quick, and I'm gonna grant permission here because of course we need that. Okay, where is the permissions? Yes, I'm gonna allow because we need it for the files, and we're gonna go back really quick. Boom, we're right here. Oh, there's a giveaway actually going on. That's cool. I'm gonna just, this download here, all it means is just it's refreshing the channels and stations. And I'm gonna do the same really quick for movies and series, and I'll catch with you in just a few seconds. And now they're all refreshed. Let me go to live TV really quick, just to see what's popping. As you see, we have all the news here. 11,033 channels, while there is a lot. Let me go to premium shows really quick, just what's going on here. Comedy, horror, comedy again, action. That is cool. Entertainment, of course, it's gonna be the usual. American Heroes, yay. Animal Planet, Buzzer, Bravo, Comet. Wow, there is a lot to go through here. Music, pay-per-view, religion, radio, stars, local NBC, CBS, ABC, Fox, and all that. I'm gonna go just really quick to news, just as a sample. And if you wanna open it full screen, just click it again, and it goes full screen. And we're gonna get out of here. Here's the movies really quick. And on the movie side, we have 95,687 movies we have recently added, which would be whatever they added on the network right now. Oh, Heretic is here. I'm gonna watch that one. I've been waiting actually for this one. And what else is here? Oh, look at that. Get Fast is here too. Oh yeah. I got something to watch. Anyway, The Night Before Christmas in Wonderland, that's a good cartoon. You have new releases, as you click here. Godzilla, Kung Fu Panda, Cat. Oh, never mind, I'm not gonna go into that. You'll see it yourself. The Roast of Tom Brady. Okay, I watched that one already. I watched Humane. You have Malayan, Telugu, action, sci-fi. Oh, sci-fi. What's on sci-fi here? Oh, yeah. Battlefield 2025. Molman Long Play 4. Yes. What else do we have? Valentine the Dark. The Avenger. Okay. Worlds Apart. That's cool. And you have a lot of movies here. Wow. Look at the list. You have some of these stuff here, which we're not going to talk about, but they are here if you want them. And next is going to be series, or I don't know, TV show, some people call them. Oh, The Sky at Night. I like that one, actually. It's pretty good. Samantha Brown's Places to Love. Wow, Inside Central Station, George Clark. There is a lot of good stuff. Country Life is here too. And all the series are divided in categories that I have recently added: documentary style, drama, family history, action, adventure, comedy, which usually comedy is my favorite part of it, which of course you have The Detectives from '93, if that's something you want to watch. I didn't watch it back then because, you know, I wasn't the thing, but now I can watch it. And besides that, you have, wow, there is a lot. Sci-fi, soap opera, thriller, romance, German, Portugal, sports, Spanish series, Saudi, servers, there is so many things here. You can literally get lost. A Year in Planet Earth, that one I wanted to watch and I never watched it. Okay, so it's right here. I'll get back. I'll get back. Okay, let me get out of here really quick and show you TarsTV. It's kind of similar. Just to show you, I'm gonna grant permission here too. I like that it has the permissions denied by default, so you have to allow them. That is good. Regarding privacy, that's a really good thing. Okay, so that's on TarsTV right now. It's kind of similar. It's kind of more selective, I would say. You have 1,000 TV channels or live channels, from documentaries to movies to all that. As I said, it's more selective here. You have the Max, you have Stars, you have Sony, you have kids shows, Nickelodeon, Disney, Universal, you have Fox, 60-something channels. That is a lot. 24/7, whatever channels are 24/7. Peacock, pay-per-view, ESPN, NFL, NBA, MLB. Let me see NFL just really quick. Oh yeah, it's right here actually. I'm not going to open it because, you know, we're here and we're not allowed to do that. But you know it works. And here you have Sky Sports News, whatever that means and whoever watches it. You double click just like the other channels. It pops up in full screen and you watch it on your TV like you would watch anything else. Looks like Lyon beat Roma 4-1. Wow, how is that even possible? And besides that, we have the movies here in TarsTV as well. So like I said, these are kind of more selected pieces. Of course, it's going to have less than the other one, but you have more selected pieces on this one. Besides that, I don't really know what else to tell you because, you know, the rest is things that you can just go get yourself. You can watch YouTube. You can plug in your own USB with pictures, movies, whatnot that you have. You can go to Play Store, but you get the point. YouTube is going to be the same and just opens up just like any YouTube TV on Android 13. And you have all your stuff. I'm signed out because I never sign in, but you can just watch YouTube as you would watch on any other YouTube TV. These are just what it suggests when you're not signed in, I guess. Family Guy, that's a really good start. That's something that I watch, but yeah, that's something for another day. Okay. So besides that, really, there's nothing else that I need to cover or tell you here. I'm not going to tell you what Aptoide is because you probably know. And you can clean up. It's kind of removing background apps. 21 processes cleared just to release some RAM. And you have Emotion Store. If you want to check for more, let me just go there really quick. You have all these apps that some of them I cannot say. Like this one right here. I cannot tell you what it is, but you should check it yourself. Twitch, Sling, Red Bull, ESPN, YouTube, TikTok, Amazon Prime. That's actually really cool. Disney. Wow, there's a lot of stuff. And wow, there's even Instagram here, Spotify, YouTube Music. I don't know what Likey is, but I have Vimeo. I know what it is. Anyway, Facebook Watch. I don't think I ever tried that. Oh, look at that. You can install Stadia or NVIDIA GeForce Now to sync and play games directly in the box from your NVIDIA computer. And you have a lot of games. Well, you can search for more games if you want. Education, news, sports. Wow, there is a lot right here. Okay. I am gonna be quite busy checking this thing out because they added a lot of new stuff that I did not know or I didn't see before because I have two other boxes, as I told you, Tanggula boxes, but this one looks like they added a lot of stuff. And here, of course, we have, like I told you, Bluetooth, decode and bit stream that you can go in Dolby Digital if your devices support it. You have DTS, Digital Plus, DTS HD, and Dolby True HD, which is kind of the same thing with the others. Display and sound, you can switch things here. Text scaling, if you want to change that to small, default, large. I'm going to leave it default. You can match content frame rate. That is really good, especially if you're watching a movie or YouTube. Advanced display settings would be your game mode, and you can change the selection. And yes, I'm going to leave the system sounds on. You can change the output here to allow HDMI devices to control TV audio which is your CEC, HDMI control. Wow, there is a lot. Amplifier control. There's a lot of stuff going on here. And yep, memory, which would be our RAM, is 4 gigs, and internal storage 64 gigs. That is actually a lot for a for an Android TV. You don't need more than that. Screensaver, energy saver, location accessibility, and advanced settings that you can change the launcher. If you download a different launcher, you can install that too. Power key definition, dormancy, I'm gonna put it on power off because that's what I wanted to do. And performance dialog if you wanna do the nerd stats. And with that said, we'll see you next time. And I hope you're gonna take a look and enjoy your own Tanggula, because it's actually a really, really good box. Boom, shutting it down, and we're out. We'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe.